5 Run Tools hacks every Windows user must know. First one is changepk. This command allows you to change your Windows product key quickly. It's a handy tool if you're upgrading your Windows version or need to reinstall it. Second one is charmap. From here, you can select and copy characters to use in your documents, including symbols and special text styles that aren't available on your keyboard. Third one is computerdefaults. This is perfect for managing default programs. You can easily change the default apps for activities like web browsing, emailing, and more. It's an essential tool for customizing your system to suit your preferences. Fourth one is cleanmgr. This is a quick way to free up space by removing temporary files, system cache, and other unnecessary data. Select the drive you want to clean and let the tool do its magic. This simple step can help your PC run more efficiently. Fifth one is control user passwords too. This command opens advanced user account settings, allowing you to manage user accounts and passwords. It's particularly useful for those who need more control over user permissions, like administrators or power users. You can use these 5 Run tools to improve your Windows experience. Which one did you find most useful? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.